You ready?
Yeah. Welcome to Lookin with Collin and I.
Yes, thank you. Welcome. Thank you for joining us again today. I'm Aaron and this is Collin. And today we're going to make you guys some. What are we making today, Collin?
Chocolate covered.
No, we're making oatmeal cookies.
Yeah.
We're making oatmeal cookies.
We're making oatmeal cookies.
Yeah, it's a real easy recipe. So we're just going to go and get started. We have 2 eggs here. Collin, you want to go and take those and dump them into the bowl? We creamed, as he dumps in the 2 eggs here, I want to let you know that we creamed 2 sticks of butter, 1 whole cup of butter, and 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. So we're going to go ahead and we'll scrape this down real quick. Go ahead and take that, Collin.
Okay.
Go ahead and close this down. I'm going to take that bowl. We're going to make sure we lock that. Alright, then we're going to mix these together. And while they're mixing together, we're also going to add our almond extract. Go ahead and add that teaspoon of almond extract. Collin, will you pull the spoon out, please?
What?
Hold the spoon. You got to turn it on now. As the mixture combines, you'll see when it's ready. So we're going to go ahead and shut this down. Alright, now that that's all mixed up.
Can I spin it?
No, we're not going to spin it right now. Now that this is mixed up, we're actually going to start mixing together our ingredients here. So Collin, let me go ahead and take this from you. We're going to have to hold this here. Here, take the flour. Let's put that in front of you. We have 2 cups of flour. You can go ahead and pinch it if you want.
Can I touch it?
Yep, go ahead. Just a little bit. Yeah, it feels kind of grainy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so now over here we have a tablespoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Go ahead and dump that right in. No, we're in the flour. Dump it in the flour for me. Yep, we're going to mix those together really well. Alright, let me have that bowl back. Alright.
Can I mix it?
No, we'll mix it in just a second. Here, you're going to use this spoon first to mix it.
Can I mix it?
Yep, go ahead and mix it. Mix it together. Dad'll help mix it together here in a second. Yep, get all that stuff mixed together. We're going to get all those ingredients incorporated. We're going to dump in 3 cups of rolled oats. We're going to mix those together there for you. This batch is actually going to make about 5-6 dozen cookies, depending on how big you make them. You know, and we'll roll them together here shortly.
And mix some flour, right? Oh,
Alright, so that is thoroughly incorporated now. Collin's done a fantastic job mixing that.
that's crunchy.
Yep, alright, so let me go ahead and see it real quick, Collin.
Okay.
Collin, will you unlock the mixer for me?
Yeah.
Can you reach it? Let me grab this bowl out of your way. You got it unlocked? Okay, so what we're going to do here is, with this big batch of dry ingredients, we're going to drop this into the mixer in thirds. We're not going to, go ahead and hold that for me, Collin. We're not going to dump it in all in at once, so. Well, no, we're going to let the mixer mix it, but you can lock it here in just a second. I'm going to dump some in here.
Can I lock some in?
Alright.
I get some in there?
I got it. It's a little heavy, so I want to make sure I can get it. You want to lock it for us? I'll take that back from you. You got it locked? Alright, now turn that on. I'll tell you what's up. There you go. Perfect. Alright, now I'm going to unlock it. Alright, let's lift it up. We're going to scrape the sides.
I scrape the sides too.
Yep, in just a second you can. Let Dad go ahead and start it for you. Alright, go ahead and scrape the sides for a second. Dad's going to drop in another third here. Alright. Yeah, perfect. Go ahead and let me see it real quick. We'll do that. Take that back. Go ahead and close it. You want to lock it first? Lock it first.
I try.
Yeah, lock it first. There you go. Now turn it on. Alright. Go ahead and scrape some of that up. Think you can do it? There you go. Good job. Good job. Alright, Dave's going to go ahead and get this last batch in here.
Almost got all of it off.
Yes, we do. Good job. Excellent. Dave's
I scrape it.
Yep, and we're done. Go ahead, you can scrape it, Collin. You can see the kind of consistency it is. So we're going to scrape these clean. Oh, let me hold that up for you, Collin. We're going to scrape this clean. And we're going to then get our cookie sheets and come right back, ball it up, put it in the oven. So go ahead and give us a few minutes. We'll be right back. And we're back. And you can see we got the dough here now all ready to go. So we're going to take out about nice little small handful, and make about an inch size ball. You don't have to compact it. Collin, hold it like this for me. and roll it in your hand. Don't roll it on the ground, roll it in your hand. There you go. Now put it on the cookie sheet right here for me. Put it on the cookie sheet for me. Right there. I'm going to grab a little bit for me. Gonna roll it into a ball. You got it into a ball, Collin?
Nope.
Nope, not yet. Well, it's gonna take us a few minutes to do this, so we usually fit about 15 to 18 on the pan, depending on how close they are. You want to have them about an inch and a half apart. Yep. There's another one for you. I'm gonna put that one right there for Collin.
Roll it into a ball.
Fantastic. Here's another one to roll into a ball. So before we even got started with setting up for the show today, we preheated the oven to 375 degrees, and these are going to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes or so. Keep an eye on them. Every oven's different. You want to make sure that you're providing, you're paying attention, you're aware.
That camera goes in.
Yeah, that camera did go in. We'll take care of that one in just a second. Alright, so give us about 10 minutes.
Can I roll this in one ball?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Once Collin is done with that, in about 10 12 minutes, we'll be back to show you what our cookies look like. And we actually have about 5 more batches to make, so we're going to be here for a few more minutes too. So, see you shortly.
We're back.
Yes, we are back. And we got our first batch of cookies here. You can see I started eating some before we even got off the camera here. Collin, what do you think of these cookies?
Oatmeal cookies.
What do you think of them? How do they taste?
Good.
They taste good. That's right from the kid's mouth, right? The first batch we got 15 out of. We got about at least 3 more batches left, if not 4. And you know, it's only takes about another half hour, 45 minutes to finish these up. Not counting cleanup, of course. But hope you guys enjoy our recipe. We love making these together. Thank you again for watching. If you like us, subscribe, share us, comment. And I always try to get back with everybody. So thank you for joining us today, Collin. Tell them bye.
Bye.
How many of these cookies are you going to eat?
All of them.
All of them. All right, thank you guys for joining us. Bye.